Hey guys, it's DARKWATER here. I'm going to do a quick overview of this BladeHQ exclusive. It is called the Vox Dapper, and saw this on there and it was a really good deal. I think it was around $65, normally like $180. And after checking out some other videos on it, there was a lot of mixed reviews on it about the quality of the finished product. I still wanted to get it because even some of the complaints I felt like were maybe a little too harsh or things that I could fix personally. Now, if you're gonna pay $180 for a knife, do you really want to have to fix it? No. But at $65, plus I had, I think, a $10 coupon, it was totally worth it for me to get it. Because what you're getting here is an M390 blade and brass back spacer, deep carry left and right, pocket clip, and just a really good blade shape. So I was like, for that amount of money, yeah, I will definitely pick it up and do the little mods if I can. If not, I'll screw it up and oh well. I mean, this is gonna be a pocket knife. This is gonna be a user. And for that price, I don't think I could go wrong. What I do like is that this is a full-size knife, but would more or less fit in the fifth pocket. Not sure on the middle finger thing here, but I think I'm gonna do some hardware changes on there. So noticeably, I think Lefty EDC was talking about like how crazy this is that they didn't even finish this area right here. I mean, that is pretty unsatisfactory, as you can see. So I think I'm gonna solve that by adding my own sharpening choil on here, because that is pretty crappy that it came that way. And now I did buy this new, and then it came in used packaging saying that there is a scratch on the blade, which you can see right here. So thank you to BladeHQ for being super transparent on that, selling me a brand new knife that actually was used. There's clearly some issues going on with BladeHQ right now. Let's see if we can fix this knife and make it into something a little more special than it came to me. So we'll be back. All right, I'm back here from the garage and finished a couple mods, and the mods just started adding up actually as I started. Let's get into it and show you what I did. First off, as you can see here, now I added a very nice sharpening choil in here. And because Vox did this so steeply, this should add quite a bit of sharpening life to this blade. Let me turn it this way. There we go. I'll cut off the Y in Italy, but we'll survive, right? Nice little sharpening choil. And then there was basically some space left here, so I added another jimp to kind of even it out. And it doesn't look too bad for my first attempt at a jimp. Now it actually looks like it probably should have from the factory. And then when I was messing with it, there was also no jimping back here, kind of like right here. I decided, you know what, I'm gonna add some more jimps to it as well. And I think that turned out pretty good. I don't know if I want to go up that far. I think this looks good. Trying to get the spacing down right by hand was a little bit different, but I did okay for my first try at, or first attempt at jimping. Overall, I think that helped tremendously with the fit and finish of this little blade. I think now the Dapper looks a little more dapper. Question is now at this point, since I added the jimps here, do I add 2 more jimps here and another one here and finish that? Do I carry on and add a couple on this backside? I don't know. Considered heat treating the hardware so you get a little more of a gold color to match this. I don't know. Plenty of possibilities with mods, and maybe over time I'll do some, but I really like the way that this turned out right now. And again, I think, you know, to each their own, but I think this is the way it should have come from the factory. Looks really good, and it adds years of life to a beautiful M390 blade.